Hey everybody, this is Andrew Bourne and I'm going to show you how to take a whole bunch of files and compress them into a single zip file. So let's say that you have different files that represent your bookwork. And here I've just got three little example files. Here's how you do it. So you select all of them just like this, and then using your mouse you are going to right click and then choose Send To. And then you want to choose this one, compressed zipped folder. And then once you select that, it'll put all three files into this one file, and it'll usually name it after the first file it sees. And then you can rename it something that you like maybe your last name, and then bookwork, something like that, and then hit enter. And ta-da! Now all three of these files below here, this one, and this one, they are contained in this single file. It's a zip file, and you can send that single file to and fro. You can upload it to Moodle or send it through email, and the recipient can uncompress it, and they can get those three files again. And there it is. Hope that helps.